Here's how to turn off Google Account Auto Sync so your apps stop syncing data automatically. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Auto Sync is controlled at the system level, not inside the Google app, so you must use your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap Accounts. Or on some phones, Passwords and Accounts, or Users and Accounts. This page shows every account signed in on your device, including your Google account. At the top or bottom of the page, look for Auto Sync Data or Automatically Sync App Data. Toggle this switch off. Your phone will warn you that apps may stop syncing emails, contacts, calendar, and other Google data. Confirm by tapping OK. If you don't want to disable sync for everything, you can turn it off just for Google apps. Tap your Google account on the list. You'll see items like Gmail, Contacts, Drive, Calendar, Play Store, Docs. Toggle off anything you don't want to sync automatically. For example, you can keep Gmail syncing, but disable Drive or Contacts. Go back one screen and you should see syncing paused. Your Google apps will no longer update automatically in the background, saving data and battery life. And that's it. Your Google Auto Sync is now turned off or customized however you want.